Opposition leader David Granger believes that proper ministerial direction is needed to address the issue of public security. Granger told media personnel that public security has become a very serious issue over the last 13 years. He feels this is mainly because the PPC administration does not show any interest in reforming the Guyana police force.
Along the lines that it has been advised. We've had about a dozen interventions by the British government, which culminated in the Security Sector Reform Action Plan, which the Guyana government refused to implement. We have had a situation in which the National Drug Strategy Master Plan has not been implemented. We've had a situation in which the report of the Disciplined Forces Commission has not been implemented. And the government refuses to take reasonable steps to prevent crime, and that is why crime is so rampant.
But the PPP continues to accuse the opposition of having links with criminal gangs. Just recently, General Secretary of the PPP and Home Affairs Minister Clement Roy said that any attempts to link his party to the criminal enterprise is to put the plague on both houses. Granger said he wants to see the retraining and equipping of the Guyana police force to tackle the changing nature of crime.
The retraining of the police, the equipping of the police, we're not seeing any of these things happening, because what is needed is proper ministerial direction, the implementation of proper security sector reform plans.
It was only last Monday that a policeman was executed outside of his home after ordering a man out of his yard. This comes on the heels of the execution of biker Kurt Davis, the murder of businessman Nandar, and the shooting death of DJ Chetty. The police were also able to have some success in those cases, and were also instrumental in the destruction of a gang that was creating havoc on the west coast of Demerara. One of those gang members, Kurt Bacchus, was killed, while others were arrested and charged. It was during that 2002-2006 crime spree that now jailed Roger Khan claimed that he used his resources to assist the government to flush out criminal elements. When Khan was arrested and jailed in the US for narcotics trafficking, the government distanced itself from him. Reporting for Capital News, Royson Drakes.